Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix TikTok crash. TikTok is a social media app that allows you to create videos and share them with your friends and followers. Lots of users love this app. It is one of the most downloaded app in Apple's App Store, allowing users to create short videos clips and share them with friends online. Unfortunately, some users are complaining that TikTok crashes. Here are some ways you can fix TikTok crash. You can use it normally, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is reboot your iPhone. It is one of the most common ways to fix the TikTok crash. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is delete TikTok and reinstall it. This is the easiest way to fix TikTok crash, but you must delete the app before reinstalling it. It will solve and delete the bugs causing the issue and guarantee you are using the most recent version available. To remove the TikTok from your iPhone, go on your home screen and find the TikTok app and then hold down the app icon until the setting menu appears and then tap on remove app. Next, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm. After deleting TikTok, go to your device App Store and reinstall it and you are done. And the next step is update the TikTok to the latest version. The way to fix this issue is to update the TikTok app to the latest version. Using an older version of the app is not a good idea. The current version you are running may have underlying issue that causes TikTok to crash abruptly. You can update the app. For this, open the App Store on your iOS device. Next, open your profile and scroll down to TikTok. Finally, click the update option to install the most recent version and you are done. And the next step is clear the TikTok cache. The cache is a temporary storage area that your device uses to save data temporarily until it gets uploaded to the cloud or synced with another device. Clearing this area can help fix the TikTok crash by freeing up space on your device so that there is enough room for TikTok to store new files. For this, open TikTok app and then tap on your profile and then tap on the hamburger menu and then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of free up space under cache and cellular. Tap on it. Finally, click the clear option next to cache and then tap on clear again to confirm and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of TikTok crash on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.